You were told the only way to get more coconut credits was to climb more trees, wake up earlier, grip the bark harder, work until your paws bleed. But then you realize the jungle is too big and your arms are too short. You're trading your life for a handful of fruit while the silverbacks own the whole forest. But then, 2026 changed the rules. You don't need to climb anymore. You need to delegate. Today, I'm showing you how to hire 5 digital robots to gather your fruit while you nap in the shade. This is the agentic revolution. Let's build your swarm. In 2024, we had tools, a stone to crack a nut, a stick to reach a branch. But then, the tool only worked if you held it. If you stopped, the credits stopped. That's not passive income. That's just a fancy shovel. In 2026, we have agents. An agent doesn't need you to hold it. You give it a mission. Find the ripest coconuts, negotiate the trade, and bring the credits back to the nest. Most monkeys are still shouting at their tools, hoping they'll work, but then they wonder why their baskets are empty. Real wealth isn't about the fruit you pick, it's about the system you build. Here is the blueprint for your 5-robot army. Robot 1, the Scout Research. Its only job is to scan the horizon. It looks for yield gaps in the jungle, where coconut credits are being traded too cheaply. It finds the opportunity. Robot 2, the Negotiator, Trade. It takes the Scout's data and executes the swap. It moves faster than any biological hand ever could. But then you need Robot 3, the Guard, Security. It watches the first two. If a snake tries to intercept your credits, the Guard cuts the vine. Robot 4, the Content Creator, Marketing. It tells the rest of the jungle what you're doing, attracting referral credits while you sleep. And finally, Robot 5, the Manager. It balances the books. It makes sure the other 4 aren't wasting energy. You aren't a laborer anymore. You are a jungle CEO. You aren't hunting for fruit. You're managing an empire of logic. The problem isn't the lack of coconuts. It's the volatility. The jungle is chaotic. Prices shift. Storms blow. But then your robots don't feel fear. They don't get tired. They don't panic when the market turns red. By solving the human error problem, you unlock the $1,000 a week level. While the other monkeys are fighting over the scraps on the floor, your swarm is harvesting the canopy. High volume, zero emotion, pure coconut credits. The music of the old jungle was a scream for survival. The music of the 2026 jungle, it's the hum of the machine. Stop climbing the tree. Start designing the forest. The robots are fueled up and ready to work, but then they're waiting for a leader with the right logic. Will it be you, or will you keep watching from the dirt? I'm currently training the Scout to find the next harvest in real time, and in my next video, I'm going to open the hood and show you the exact brain I built for it. If you want to see the first robot come to life, hit that subscribe button and drop a coconut in the comments to join the troop. The harvest is starting, and the canopy is wide open. Don't be the monkey left with an empty basket while the rest of us are eating for free. See you in the next one.